in a significant development aimed at strengthening bilateral defence cooperation and advancing mutual interests. Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sidhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, undertook an official visit to the United States of America, the first by a serving PF Air Chief in over a decade. The high-profile visit marked a strategic milestone in Pakistan-US defence cooperation and proved instrumental in deepening institutional ties, in addition to addressing key regional and global security issues. During the visit, Chief of the Air Staff held a series of high-level meetings with senior US military and political leadership. At the Pentagon, he called on Ms. Kelly L. Saybolt, Secretary of the Air Force International Affairs, and General David W. Alvin, Chief of Staff of the United States Air Force. During the meetings, the discussions centered around advancing bilateral military cooperation, enhancing interoperability, and exploring avenues of joint training and technology exchange. Chief of the Air Staff highlighted the historic and multifaceted relationship between Pakistan and United States, particularly in the domains of defense and security cooperation. He reiterated his resolve to further enhance the existing ties in the realms of military-to-military cooperation and training between the air forces of the two countries. The two sides also agreed upon the continuation of high-level military engagements in future through senior-level interactions. These interactions are deemed crucial for maintaining momentum in the ongoing cooperative endeavors in the areas of joint training, operational exercises, and military exchange programs between the two nations. At the US State Department, the Air Chief met with Mr. Brown L. Stanley from the Bureau of Political Military Affairs and Mr. Eric Meyer from the Bureau of South and Central Asian Affairs. The meeting served as a forum to underscore Pakistan's constructive role in promoting regional stability, its firm commitment to counter-terrorism efforts, and its nuanced perspective on the evolving geopolitical dynamics of South and Central Asia. As part of his engagements at Capitol Hill, Chief of the Air Staff held substantive dialogues with prominent members of the US Congress, including Mr. Mike Turner, Mr. Rich McCormick, and Mr. Bill Huizenga. These interactions reinforced the importance of robust engagement in strengthening bilateral relations and provided a valuable opportunity to share Pakistan's views on strategic challenges, regional security frameworks, and the impact of emerging technologies on defense cooperation. Emphasizing Pakistan's status as a peace-loving nation, the Air Chief reaffirmed the country's enduring sacrifices and notable operational achievements in the global war on terror, while also outlining Pakistan's evolving security calculus in response to the rapidly shifting regional geopolitical landscape. The landmark visit not only reaffirmed the Pakistan Air Force's commitment to promoting regional and global peace, but also laid the groundwork for renewed institutional collaboration, strategic dialogue, and enhanced interoperability between the Pakistan Air Force and the United States Air Force.